So in the repertory, synthesis repertory, the rubric is given abscess painless calcareous sulp. It is given from Kent. So if you will go to the Kent repertory, you will find the rubric, same rubric, rectum abscess painless calcareous sulp remedy is given. So what we have find in the earliest phase, the patient comes to us which was very arrogant, irritable, discontented, changing doctor frequently. He has abused of alcohol, alcoholची हॅबिट होती, त्याला स्मोकिंगची पण हॅबिट होती, लॅक्सेटिव्हची हॅबिट होती. जो पेशंट रिकवरच नव्हता होत, त्याला लॅटिन कॉन्स्टिपेशन राहत होतं. ही हॅड टू कॉन्स्टिपेशन. सो फॉर द कॉन्स्टिपेशन ही यूज टू टेक द लैक्सेटिव्स और चूर्ण लेने की आदत थी उसको बार बार, और उसके बावजूद भी उसको जो है कॉन्स्टिपेशन क्लियर नहीं होता था. चूर्ण और लैक्सेटिव ऐसी चीज़ है कि वो आदत लग जाती है उसकी. एक बार लिए, दूसरी बार लिए, वो रोज़ लेना पड़ता है, उसके बगैर होता नहीं है. इट यूज टू विद दैट. सो all the things, his lifestyle, he doesn't have time to eat, doesn't have proper sleeping times, everything was in favor of Naxomica. But going to the investigations, finding, and ultimately he says that there is a rectal abscess. They had the sonography said that there is a paraanal abscess, and this abscess was, when we were asked to the patient, दुखते का? नहीं. दुखते का? नहीं. I have asked 10 times. He said, no, there is no pain. So it is a striking thing. There is a paraanal abscess. It is a very striking and uncommon thing, paraanal abscess, and he says that, no, there is no pain. So I selected the rubric rectum abscess painless, and the remedy given here is only calcarea sulp. So this one rubric should guide us to go to the calcareous sulp. But our curious mind should be satisfied with the other symptoms. So I go into the another search of the calcareous sulp, that is there this kind of mentality is there in the calcareous sulp. So I find in the Kent's lecture, because it is given by Kent, so the satisfactory answer will be given by Kent. Kent ही आंसर देगा. जब केंट ने दिया है उस रुब्रिक को, तो केंट ने वेरीफाई किया है. So the symptoms given in the Kent's lecture on materia medica, the strong sense of self-importance, grumbling that his value is not understood by others, despises those who don't agree with them, despises those who don't agree with them. What is the meaning of despises? So the meaning of the despises is that to hate somebody or someone. We have find in his face, in his expressions, that something hatred is there in his face, hatred appearance, look. So despises who don't agree with them, lamenting because he feel he is not appreciated. This was also inner sense in that case. And another most important thing was the discontented and irritable. Discontented means dissatisfied with everything what is happening with him. He was dissatisfied. And irritable. Other thing, jealousy, hatred, changeable mood. How we understand that? 15 दिवसाआधी दुसऱ्या डॉक्टरला दाखवलं, त्याच्या 15 दिवसाआधी दुसऱ्या डॉक्टरला दाखवलं. Always changing the mood. The changeable mood is the characteristic of tuberculinum. Changing mood, changing doctors always. It is the characteristic of tuberculinum. It is also present in this calcareous sulp and in calcareous sulp. So we selected the remedy calcareous sulp. So what is written in the boric? Eczema with a torpid glandular swelling, cystic tumor, fibroid, suppurative process come within the range of this remedy. Suppurative process like calendula, like hipersulp, like silica, like myristica. After the pus has been found a vent, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा पस अगर वहाँ बन गया तो वेंट मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. Mucus discharges are yellow, thick and lumpy. Lupus vulgaris. This is written in the calcareous sulp in the Borix Botania Medica. And this was our case of paraanal abscess. It is shown in the sonography. Sonography मध्ये दाखवत आहे paraanal abscess आहे. And whenever asked to the patient, दुखते का? Is there any pain? He says no pain. त्रासच नहीं है. So the rubric is rectum abscess painless. And we selected the remedy calcareous sulp. That is the understanding of the case. So always we have to find the striking, uncommon things in the every case. And if you will get a different thing, it is very much appreciating thing, and it is very effectively work over the case. So what we understand from this, how to go into the case, how to proceed with the case, how to go into the understanding of the case, the mind, the pathology, the physical symptoms, the characteristic symptom, everything was there. Everything.